The race is on. GPT-5 is the most anticipated technology release of the year, and the moment it's officially announced, millions of people around the world will be scrambling to get their hands on it. But as with any groundbreaking new technology, a select few, the researchers, the key developers, and the strategic partners will get to use it weeks or even months before the general public. So the big question is, how can you be one of those people? How can you position yourself to get early access to what is expected to be the most powerful artificial intelligence model ever created? In this video, I am going to give you a complete guide to the different ways you can potentially get early access to GPT-5. We'll cover the official channels, the developer APIs, the role of academic research, and the most likely and realistic path for the average user. This is your strategic guide to getting ahead of the line. But first, a quick and important disclaimer. There are no secret hacks or guaranteed backdoors. This is about putting yourself in the best possible position based on how OpenAI has operated with all of its previous major releases. To understand how to get in early, you first need to understand the typical, tiered rollout process for a new foundation model. The very first people to use GPT-5 are, of course, OpenAI's own employees and a very small trusted group of red teamers. These are security experts and researchers who are hired to try and break the model and find its flaws before it is ever exposed to the outside world. This inner circle is obviously not accessible to the public. The next tier of access, and the first one that happens outside of OpenAI's own walls, is for key strategic partners and researchers. This primarily means their biggest partner, Microsoft, who will get deep and early access to begin the long process of integrating the new model into its Azure cloud services and other products. This tier also includes a select, handpicked group of academic institutions and AI safety research organizations. They are given access to study the model's capabilities, its potential risks, and to work on alignment long before it's released. Now we get to the first real chance for the public to get access. This is the developer API waitlist. Weeks or even months before GPT-5 is integrated into the consumer-facing chat app that we all know, OpenAI will almost certainly launch a private beta for the GPT-5 API. This is for software developers and businesses who want to build the next generation of applications on top of the new model. There will be an official waitlist that you can sign up for on the OpenAI website. This is a crucial, early opportunity. The final stage of what we can consider early access will be the eventual rollout of the new model to chatgpt Plus subscribers. Just as we saw with the launch of GPT-4, the most powerful new models are made available to paid subscribers long before they are ever considered for the free version of the service. So, knowing these tiers, what are the actionable steps you can take right now to maximize your chances of getting in? Let's break down the methods. The first method is for the developers out there. Your best bet is to become an active and valuable user of the current OpenAI API. Start building interesting and innovative applications using GPT-4. Participate in the official OpenAI developer forums, provide valuable feedback, and have a public portfolio of your AI projects on a platform like GitHub. When OpenAI ends the waitlist for the GPT-5 API, they will be looking for developers with a proven track record of building responsible and creative applications. Start building your AI resume today. The second method is for those in academia. If you are a student or a professional researcher, focus your work on the critical fields of AI safety, ethics, and alignment. OpenAI actively collaborates with the academic community. Publishing papers, contributing to open-source alignment projects, and making a name for yourself in the field can lead to direct invitations to participate in exclusive early research access programs. The third method is the one that applies to everyone. You need to join and monitor the official channels. Go to OpenAI's website right now and sign up for their official mailing list and their developer updates. Go to Twitter or X and follow the official OpenAI account and the personal account of the CEO, Sam Altman. The very second a public waitlist for the GPT-5 API is announced, it will be posted on these channels. You want to be one of the very first people to sign up. These waitlists often fill up with hundreds of thousands of applicants within hours, and getting your name in early is critical. The fourth and final method is the simplest and most realistic path for the average non-developer. Be a paying chatgpt Plus subscriber. While you won't get in with the first wave of elite developers, you will be in the very first group of public users to experience the new model when it launches in the main chatgpt interface. Based on past rollouts, Plus subscribers will likely get access months before the general public, if the model is ever released to free users at all. Leading up to the expected release window, you'll want to make sure your subscription is active. Finally, as the hype for GPT-5 builds, the internet will be absolutely flooded with scams. You must be extremely wary of fake websites that look like an official OpenAI page but are actually designed to install malware or steal your login information. Be wary of people on social media or in forums offering to sell you access to their private GPT-5 account. These are almost always scams. Remember, official access will only ever be announced and provided through the official OpenAI website and developer platform. Do not trust any other source. So, to recap your strategy, if you're a developer, start building with the current API now. If you're an academic, focus on safety research. And for everyone else, follow the official OpenAI channels like a hawk to be the first to sign up for any public waitlist. And maintain an active chatgpt Plus subscription to ensure you are in the first wave of the public rollout. If this guide helped you, a like on the video would be fantastic. Subscribe for more guides on the future of AI.